what the DNA is and how it's made. You have the A, T, C, and G's that makes your DNA. Okay. As you can see right here, you see the DNA strands. DNA basically makes up your body and it tells who you are. For example, say if you drink something and you take it to a crime lab, they could see and search who you are and where you live at and give information about your background and where you came from. And epigenetics up and makes a mutation. What is a mutation? A mutation is a permanent change in the DNA sequence of a gene. It occurs when a DNA gene is damaged. The insight we gain from studying twins helps us to better understand nature and nurture works together. For well over a century, researchers have compared characteristics in twins in an effort to determine the extent to which considered traits are heritage, like eyes, colors, and which traits are learned from the environment. As a fertilized egg. DNA and RNA. DNA has four nucleotides A, T, C, and G.
DNA exists in a double strand. Every cell has the same DNA, but only some of the DNA is transcribed or read into RNA. Cell machines transcribe the DNA into RNA. This RNA is used to make all the proteins that make up you and everybody else around the world. As you can see in the following clips, Stephanie is serving as the RNA polymers. She's slowly adding on, showing that the RNA is reading the DNA to transfer it. So if you watch carefully, you see how it all connects together.
It goes off into the cell to be read or translated into proteins. As you can see right here, I'm breaking the DNA and the RNA up for the proteins to come in and take over. Mutation is when one of the nucleotides or bases get changed. This later changes the sequence of the RNA, which can change the protein. As you can see right here, the A is being replaced with the G.
As you can see right here, the DNA has come back together to form a double helix. The RNA is having some trouble reading the DNA based on the mutation that just happened. An epigenetic change is different from a mutation. Chemicals are added or taken away from the DNA, and this makes the cell machine read it differently. The DNA letters or sequences don't change, but the RNA doesn't get made the same way as it would. As you can see right here, this is what's taking place. The RNA is having trouble based on the epigenetic change.